All right, everybody, I just wanted to take a minute to kind of show you how easy the Podbean app is, as well as the website. So what you're looking at right now is actually the Podbean app. So when you are ready to record, all you have to do is this little microphone up here in the corner. You're just going to hit that. It's going to ask you if you want to do a live cast or record audio. You're going to want to select record audio. So once that opens up, it's really from here pretty simple. All you're going to do is hit the record button, this little red button here. And from there, you're just going to start your recording. You can add special effects. There's also music you can choose from, different sounds, but you can do all of your recording of your actual podcast right from the app. And then when you're done, it's really pretty simple as well. So you're going to hit those two dots up at the top. If you wanted to import audio, you could import audio from there. Hit save. Let's give it a name. Call it Testcast. And there they are right there. And then when you're ready to upload your file to Blackboard, you could still do this all from the app. You can simply hit share, publish. Now it is on my Podbean page, and you can hit share episode, and then you can send it to wherever you're sending that to. So really pretty simple with the app. I'm going to hop over to the website just so I can show you really from here, pretty similar. We'll say, so this screen's going to look like when you log in. You would just say new episode, choose your file. So if you recorded, maybe you recorded in your phone or you've recorded using Zoom. I haven't confirmed my email yet, but you'll just click that. It'll be any other pop-up box. You will go in and upload that, and then from there you'll still get like all of your editing screens. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But to be honest, it's really pretty, it's a pretty easy website to use, which is why I chose it. But if you do need help, please feel free to reach out and I will walk you through it. Have a great day.